Hello kids. Today we are going to learn about food. All living beings need a food for live alive, to grow and get energy and strength. Understood why we need a food? Okay, now next see. We need food because we use our body for a number of activities and movements. We need food because we use our body for a number of activities and movements. We work and play, so our body need energy and strength. We work and play, so our body needs energy and strength. We get energy and strength from food. We get energy and strength from food we eat. What we get from food? We get energy and strength from food we eat. Food is essential for all living beings. Food is essential for animals, birds, insects, plants, and human beings too. Food is essential for all living beings. It helps us to build food, help us to build our bones and muscles. Food help us build our bones, muscles. Whatever we eat food, no, that one. Food make us grow. Food help us to build our bones and muscles, and food make us to grow. Understood, no kids? Okay. Now see. We are eating everyday food. A food, whatever we are eating, no, that food consists of cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, fish, meat and egg. We all are eating everyday food, no? Okay. That food, we eating food that is consist of cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, fish, meat and egg. Understood? Now see cereals such as jowar, bajra, nachni, ni. Jowar is used to make a bhakri. Wheat is used to make a chapati. Jowar is used to make a bhakri. Wheat is used to make a chapati. Rice is cooked and eaten with a dal and vegetables. Look in this picture, kids. That one boy eating a rice with a dal, vegetable, curry. Okay. Rice is cooked and eaten with a dal and vegetables. Now see pulses such as peas, green gram, matki, masoor, chawli, wal, etc. are some of pulses. From these pulses we make a dal too. Chawli dal, moong dal, we are saying no, udid dal. We get a dal from pulses. Now see, vegetables. Vegetables also come in food. Vegetable supply vitamins to our body. Vegetables supply vitamins to the body, such as cabbage, snake gourd, padwal, pumpkin, bitter gourd, karela, lady's finger, cauliflower, and green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. They are useful to grow, get energy. They supply vitamin to the body. Some vegetables are cooked and some vegetables can be eaten as a raw. Understood, kids? See here. Salad. Some vegetables are eaten as a raw, that is called the salads. Carrots, tomatoes, cucumber, radish, beetroot, onion. All are chopped finally to make a salad which can be eaten raw. Salads we should always eaten raw. Understood what is the salad? These vegetables, just such as a carrot, tomato, cucumber, radish, chopped and eat. Finally chopped to make that one salad. See here, salad. Chopped all vegetables are there in this one plate. Are you seeing? Carrot, tomato. Okay? Some leafy vegetables also there. Cucumber, etc. Now next see, oil and ghee. It is also one of the part of the food. Oil and ghee also part of the food. We should oil and ghee also, because we want fat, no? Oil and ghee, oil give us fat. Oil is made from mustard, sesame, groundnuts, sunflower and coconut. Oil is made from mustard seeds, sesame seeds, groundnut seeds, sunflower seeds and coconut. See, ghee is made from milk and vegetables. We get a ghee from milk and vegetables. Understood, kids? Okay. Now, fruits. Fruit is also one of the part of the food. Fruits such as a banana, guavas, apples, mangoes, chiku or sapota, papaya, oranges, grapes, sweet limes, pomegranates, figs, watermelon, all food that loved by the young ones and old ones too. This food give us lots of vitamins, minerals, irons, all type of minerals, vitamins. This one essential things this food supply to our body, so that fruits that are loved by everyone, no? Yes, fruits that are loved by young ones and old ones too. Okay, now see milk. Milk is also part of the food. Milk, how we will get a milk? We get a milk from animals. Cow, buffalo, goat. Milk is most nourishing food. Most nourishing food, we get milk from cow, buffaloes, sea goats. Milk is nourishing food for babies and sick people too. Children and the sick people should have enough milk every day because milk is the most nourishing food. Understood, no kids? So, today onwards, stop drinking tea, coffee. You start drinking milk. Milk is the most nourishing food for you and sick people too. Creams, butters, curds, paneer, cheese. How will get? Cream, butter, curd, paneer, cheese. These all things we get from milk. Understood? Okay. Now see diet food. Diet food. What makes a proper diet? What should be eaten in diet food? When should be eaten? These are the questions for diet food. What makes a proper food? Which type of food we should eat in diet? Diet food include all type of food. Vegetables, fruits, pulses, milk, ghee, cereals, etc. When should we eat? We should eat on proper time. And we should eat in proper quantity. All type of food we should eat in proper time, proper quantity. Understood? This is the diet food because we need all essential things, vitamins, minerals, nutrients. We need all nutrients, no? Yes. Well, growing children should eat 4 meals a day. See this one boy, he is a growing child. Growing children should eat 4 meals a day. Morning breakfast. In some children eating breakfast soup, poha, upma, so on, dosa, idli, so on, whatever may be. But growing children need 4 meals a day. Breakfast over. Now see lunch. Lunchtime we are eating roti, chapati, rice with vegetables and dal and along with salads. Now number 3, snacks. In the evening time, we are getting the snacks in the evening time. It's a 3rd meal. Now 4th one meal is a dinner. At night, we are taking food, no? That is called the dinner. In dinner, we also eat chapati, roti, rice. Okay, this type growing children should have eat 4 meals a day. Breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner at night. Understood, kids? This type, all living things need food. We need food when we want to grow. All of you want to grow, no? If we want to grow, we need a food. From that, our body will grow, we get energy and strength. From that energy, we will do work, we will play, we will do all activities of the day. Understood, kids? So that you should eat proper food.